In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect and also how to set up a USB microphone to your Mac. Now this could be just an iMac or it could be a MacBook. So whatever the case, this is how to do it. Now, if your Mac has a USB port that goes with this full-size type A, then all you have to do is just plug it into the USB port, an empty USB port. If you have a MacBook like this one, this is the M1 MacBook, and most MacBooks do not have the full-size USB port. What you get is Type-C ports, okay? So you have Type-C ports on the side, and so for that one, you're gonna need an adapter. Now, there are plenty of adapters you can use. Personally, I like to use this adapter. This is the one I use for everything, all the peripherals for my MacBook. It has SD card, micro SD card, two full-size USB ports, and then I have Type-C, I have HDMI, I have Ethernet. It's a very versatile adapter. Okay, I'll link it down below in case you're interested. Anyway, you do need just any adapter with a Type-C connector, and somewhere you can plug in a full-size USB connector. So I'm just gonna plug the Type-C connector to the MacBook, and then once I do that, I'll plug in this other side to the microphone. Okay. There you go. So now the microphone should be plugged in. So you can see the cable from the microphone is plugged in there, and then the connector is plugged into my MacBook. And then on the MacBook, it's going to ask to allow accessory to connect. So just go ahead and allow that. And then now to set it up, what you want to do is go to the Apple logo in the top left corner and then select System Settings. Under System Settings, select Sound. And then under Sound, go ahead and select Input. And then under Input, you should see your USB microphone. So if you want it to be your default microphone, just make sure you select it. And then you can test it by just speaking close to the microphone. And you can see with using this input level graph, you can see whether the microphone is being detected or not, or whether it's working. So as you can see, my voice reception is very good. Now, if you want to, you can increase or reduce the input volume. If you find that it's recording very low volume, you can increase that. And if it's too high, you can reduce it. So you can even see on the graph here what happens when I reduce. That's what happens. And when I increase, that's what happens, right? So once you set all that up and you've selected your USB microphone as your input audio device, then you are good to go. So that's basically how to connect and set up a USB microphone to your Mac. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.